At the first, I want to thank everyone who come to today in the evening. My name is Mohammad. I'm from Syria. I'm here in Denmark. It's about 6 years ago. My background it's HVAC engineering, heating system, air and conditioning system, and also I get education from Denmark. It's as automation and robot technology. I love work with the computer and technical things. I'm also happy to be here with part of the Hacker Feature. We want to talk. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I need to introduce you.
I'm sorry. I forgot.
My name is John. I came from Syria also. I have a psychology background and master in education. I have been working in Dubai for online survey company. In that time, I started interested in IT and developing websites. I was working here also for 4 years with students in school, and I'm happy to start my new career, new one. Yeah. Today we are going to talk about deployment. We will start with what is the problem and explain what Heroku is, the application we use, what the benefits of Heroku and the advantage of deployment that it's a part of Heroku. So Mohammad will start with the first point.
Normally, when we create application, so we tested the application with the local host. So all the developer they know about that. So this we can say this it's a kind of a problem. So if we want to test the problem with the if I want to share the application with the other developer, or I want to send it to the client, for example. So how can we test it? How can he test it? So because that Heroku it's coming. It will take the code application and make it accessible on the internet in a few commands. So what is Heroku? Heroku is a platform service for a developer. It's used for a developer and to upload the code and make it online and alive. The application as a live, and for everyone he can use it. How we implement the application. The Heroku it's give you easy way to deploy the application. Just push and enter. Of that. I'm sorry. Here, this is the cycle with the application and how it's working. You just develop the application locally, and after that, deploying the code to the Heroku, and you get feedback from Heroku if it's work correctly or not. And this is the cycle; it's go automatically. This is the easy way to use it with the Heroku. Heroku support us with work with the command line, with the CLI command line, just as it's like what we when we use with the GitHub. So here with the terminal, you can see if the application it's work okay or not. It's the building is of application it's successfully or not. And also here you can test the application and the database. Also here the Heroku also it's a provide a lot of kind of database. You can MySQL, Postgres also it's provided that, and also MongoDB. And in this slide, I'm sorry. In this slide, you can test the database locally from Workbench, Table Plus, all the database application. And here you can see the logs of if it's okay or not with you. And also, if there are if there are a problem with the application, it will send you email or give you application errors. So that's work.
Yeah, as Mohammad mentioned, actually it's in the last stage, or when we growing up with the application, we need some tools to see the components or all the work what we have done. So we used Heroku. Why we used Heroku? Heroku, it's easy to use. It's very easy to just create an account and make it live. It's just a few steps that we can just go through that application, and we can have the application live. It's free, and it's very important thing in Heroku. There is a lot actually of tools that we used Heroku. The most important thing that it's updated automatically. So when we ever have any changes on the components or on the project, it will be automatically updated on the URL. So it's very easy to use and very fast to check it. It's just only one click. We don't need to go through the local host and open the all folders and see it there. So it's only one click. It's a bit updated with every changes. And that's the also advantage of automated deployment, because it's automatically updated as what I mentioned and Mohammad mentioned also. We can test it very fast, and we can done it, and we can see everything very fast. But what we have learned from the project, actually, to work as a team remotely, especially with the Corona crisis. So we need to work with other as a team in at home. So we learned that. We learned some also tools, Swigger, Storybook, and many things. We read a lot. We understand. We try to solve the problem, and we tried many things. And we shared experience. I don't know, would you like to talk something about?
I think that the best thing from a project here, when we worked as a team remotely, because this is to give you us as IT developers. So I think this is the most important thing. You should learn how to work remotely. So this is the best thing I get at this project. And also some tools, it's like Swagger. It's a very good tester to test your application. And Storybook also, I get it. Yes.
Yeah. Next was the most important one part. It's for me actually to see the application growing and see a lot of things. It's like children growing up and see what that's we're working on. We would like to thank all the members, staff in Hack for Future, classmates, and all people who's behind this very useful project.
Yeah. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for Hack for Future to give us this opportunity to go through IT field because it's a new field to us. So thank you.